Hi, this is India Khan. In this assessment, I introduced new parameters intercept beta 0 and slope beta 1. Due to session limitations, the data size n and the number of simulation s are both set to 75, and let's generate the data. To determine if our data aligns with our assumptions, specifically the value we set for the slope and intercept, we need to check the p-value through hypothesis testing. First, we examine the p-value for cases where the simulated slope are greater than the observed slope. The results show that our p-value is 0.6533. In this experience, the p-value represents the probability of observed test statistic or something more extreme, assuming the null hypothesis is true. For example, by choosing the greater than, the p-value represents the proportion of simulated values that are greater than and equal to the observed value. Here is the 4.85 in this plot, and dividing by the total number of simulations. The smaller the p-value, the more our observed result diverge from the null hypothesis, making it more likely to reject the null hypothesis. The next step is constructing confidence interval using the t-distribution. Depending on the confidence level we choose, we get different value of t. So let's try 90% first. And in this plot, the right line shows the lower boundary and the green line represents the upper boundary. To calculate the upper limit of the confidence interval at a given confidence level, we start with the mean estimate and then add the t-value multiplied by the standard deviation divided by the square root of the number of simulations. For the lower limit, we just need to subtract that same product. The confidence interval provides an estimated range where the two parameters is likely to fall. In this case, we set the confidence level to 90%. We are aiming to understand the interval where 90% of the results fall after multiple simulations. The two parameter here in the slope is in the confidence level, in the confidence interval. But when we try intercept, and we can see that the true parameter is not in the confidence interval. And this is because we set the mean to 1 earlier, but our preset value is beta 0, so it will be off. And that's all. Thank you.